do the first one on the wow, which is
Sam's already halfway through. You better let me know.
You don't mind? I can't vlog here. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another new vlog. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to work. I'm a clinical assistant at a physical therapy clinic. I don't start work till 7:30, but I like to come about 2 hours early to get a workout in. I have Gorilla Mode as my pre-workout, and I have this Starbucks tumbler that I got from my friend from Christmas. Shout out to Ulu. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. I think it's gone. Anyways, no shaker bottle, no problem. Oh my god, can it please stop raining? I decided to start walking because I don't think the rain is gonna stop anytime soon. But anyways, this is where I work. First things first, we gotta turn on all the lights. Beautiful. And then now I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to our staff room. I'm gonna show you guys a locker tour. So this is my first locker. Second locker is all of my supplements. So I have my hydration powder, my chia seeds, these pills from Gorilla Mind, this Starbucks cup I got from Etsy, my green tea if I don't take my pre-workout in the morning, I use this as my caffeine, and this is my protein powder. Here's my other pre-workout by Gorilla Mind. So I have two of these, one I keep at home and one I keep here. Yes, I have two lockers because I have too many things. Let me go show you guys a clinic tour. This is our front door. This is our waiting area. Here's this box that I made for the Relay for Life. So we're collecting donations, and I think there's an event on July 15th. This is our cardio section where we have patients warm up. Here's our little clinical assistant desk. Our weightlifting area. Here's one of our evaluation rooms. And here's another one. So this one we use for pelvic health patients just because it has like all the equipment. Since we're here, let me show you guys one of my opening duties. So we turn down the AC to 70 degrees. And then I turn on the fans. Here's our cubby holders where patients keep all of their belongings. So we're right next to a laundromat, but we have our own washer and dryer, our little shelf full of equipment. You know what? Let me go set up the sled right now. That's it for this. Is to use movement. This sled, you can work basically your full body, mostly legs, but we just have patients. Oh my god. Someone didn't change the settings. Could have been myself. Lucky if we're getting physical therapy clinic. Anyways, so basically, you just push it all the way to the end, and then coming back, you just have your chest up and just take small steps. Yep. So that's our sled. I have about an hour left till I start my actual job. So I'm gonna go work out for a bit. I follow this program by Pen and Paper Strength. And the program I'm doing is the Let's Get Peachy, because we're trying to get a dump truck before my trip. So basically on this program, it tells me what exercises to do and how much reps, and then we do a little progressive overload where it tells me what percentage to do of my 1 rep max. So it looks like my first one is deadlifts at 60%. Not gonna lie, I struggle with deadlifts, so anyways, follow along with me. done working out, so now I'm going to take you guys through my skincare morning routine. I have my skincare pouch, and then we're going to start off with this cleanser by Youth to the People. So this is the Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins. And then next, I moisturize my face with these two. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's Essence by Tatcha, and then this is the Water Cream by Tatcha. I just finished getting changed, so we're gonna do a little fit check. So, scrubs from Figs. This shirt from Live Soar, this watch from Apple, this watch band from probably Amazon. What else do I have? Shoes from Asics. You have 17 more minutes before I start work, so I finished heating up my breakfast. I have chicken breast and broccoli. If I'm not eating breakfast, I'll take a scoop of my protein powder. So this is the ISO 100 Hydrolyze in the flavor Fruity Pebbles. I put a scoop of this hydration powder into my hydro flask. That's basically it. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys how we check patients in. So first things first, check the time. It's 1:14, but let's pretend it's 1:30. Come along. You come right here, call out the patient's name. Baby, come on back. And then we'll have them sit on the blood pressure chair. Take their vitals, so their oxygen and their heart rate. Healthy, beautiful. Then we'll put the blood pressure cuff on her left arm. And then I'll put on the stethoscope, so this points forward. So she got 108/52, which is good because you want to get 120/80. Next up, we'll have her do warm-up, so come along, baby. So for first-time patients, I just kind of stop them, make sure they don't fall all the way back. Beautiful. And then we just have them warm up for 10 minutes. And then once 10 minutes is done, we have them head to the main area, get some water, rest, and then we'll give them their next exercises. This is where we keep our laundry. So we have 3 different sections: dirty patient towels, our linens, and then our cleaning rags. I'm gonna have you guys follow me. I'm just gonna put all this in here. And we're just gonna do a cap pull.
Nice, nice.
And then for settings, we do medium, warm, and normal. Our laundry is finished, so we're just gonna move all of this into our dryer. Okay. And then we do quick dry. 1 hour.
Yeah.
And there you go. On this board, we have our WOW, which stands for Workout of the Week. And this week, it's Daniel. Part of working here is we have to do the WOW every single day. So I'm gonna go drag all my coworkers to do the WOW with me. Thoughts, Samuel?
I didn't know we were starting already. Okay, let's wow.
Conrad, are you ready?
Gee, yes.
Bailey?
Oh, okay.
She's chilling, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are gonna do the first one on the WOW, which is
Sam's already halfway through. You better
world-
clean up.
you don't mind? I So we're gonna do the world's greatest stretch.
Squat jumps.
Squat jumps, and then you have push-ups. Oh, that stretch was kind of like a workout. Ready? Go. Oh!
Hey, Sam.
Are you guys counting?
Yeah. 5. Yeah.
I think that was 10. I hope that was 10. Okay, next one. Push-ups. And that one is 10. Okay. Come on, you are energized. Go.
Okay. You gotta blur out my butt. I'm here for the family show.
That's how we get more views.
Yeah, that is, isn't it? That's why she wanted us.
And that's the wow.
This is
Every month we replace the water. This is literally just water and food dye. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. We're gonna unscrew the cap and then press this button so it's gonna spray. So you gotta stand away from it and just empty it all out. Fill it up with water to rinse out the residue. Here we have bleach. Probably fast forward.
Makeshift bleach.
And I'll set a time for 10 minutes, let it soak, and then we'll flip it over. So it's been 10 minutes, or it's been 10 minutes 10 minutes ago, so I already flipped it. Now we're gonna empty out the bleach.
Bleach being emptied out.
This time around, we wanna rinse it well, because if we don't, the food coloring is gonna turn clear.
Tell us about yourself.
I'm a clinical assistant at a PT clinic. I graduated with a degree in kinesiology at UH Manoa. But if you watch my vlogs, you would have known that.
To my real fans, you guys know that already.
Okay, and I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. What else about me? I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know anything about me.
Jadelyn prefers to be called.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ding, ding.
What else would you like to know? Would you like to know what Jadelyn talks about before Mike Harder's of the day?
What time is it? Okay. Oh my god, Sheldon! Show Sheldon, show Sheldon.
Oh, guys. Hi. It's our clinic manager.
We're gonna put food coloring. So exactly 15 drops. Oh wait. Tidal tank color dye. There's Sheldon, there's Sheldon!
There's Sheldon right there. Oh, get the manager. There he is. There he is. Ah!
So you wanna put this first so that you can have the water wash it down and it doesn't get all messy. Okay, I think that was 15. This is gonna take a while. Anyways, go block Sheldon or something. Before we fill it up with air, we wanna make sure that this thing is closed. So you wanna press that button. Ready?
No.
And then you wanna rip it out and close it. Ta-da! And that's on period.
Tidal tank.
We are doing our closing duties. So there's Conrad behind me mopping. Conrad, wave! Show us your technique. Beautiful. Okay, friends, so we just finished work and we're about to cross the street.
You can't even freaking.
Sam does this thing where he'll run across the street when there's no car. No way, that car's gonna go. Wait, Sam! I forgot to get it on content because it's so funny. Anyways, okay, bye Sam. That is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a little insight of where I work. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.